Welcome to UpKeep's Advanced package, designed for medium-sized teams looking to streamline their maintenance workflows and maximize UpKeep's advanced features. With a dedicated implementation manager, you'll receive expert guidance on system standardization, data migration, and tailored team training for a successful implementation. Onboarding time is estimated to be less than 8 to 5 business days per site, ensuring a smooth change management process. UpKeep's Advanced package allows you to streamline time or condition-based preventive maintenance workflows, create your checklist library, and build dashboards. Our dedicated implementation manager will work with you to set up and migrate locations, assets, parts, checklists, and meter data. It's the perfect solution for medium-sized teams seeking to standardize their maintenance management system across 1 to 3 locations and teams. Our expert implementation managers will guide you on system standardization and best practices, ensuring that your team is set up for success with UpKeep. We understand that the success of your implementation depends on more than just having the right tools. That's why we follow a proven implementation methodology designed to ensure a smooth and successful deployment of UpKeep. Our methodology is divided into 5 main phases. In the project kickoff phase, we introduce the project team and define roles and responsibilities. We identify the system requirements in the system requirements phase and prepare for data migration. In the build phase, we configure the system to meet the defined requirements and migrate data. In the project finalize phase, we conduct user testing and review all project deliverables. In the change management phase, we prepare the team for training and deliver training content to ensure the successful adoption of the new system. By following this methodology, we have successfully deployed UpKeep across 4,000 customers. So you could be confident that your implementation will be a success too. Contact one of our experts to learn more about UpKeep's Advanced package and how we can help set your team up for success.